Hello viewers, welcome to Programming Geek. I'm here with a new tutorial that is complete CRUD version using C# with a MS SQL server. This is complete CRUD in C# with SQL tutorial for beginner. This is my SQL server name is catalog-sb here. Login SA, password is SQL Server authentication password. Expand the database folder, new database. Now I'm gonna creating a database and a table in the SQL Server. My database name is programming tutorial DB. Click on OK. Yes. My database is created. You can see programming tutorial DB. Expand the table folder. There is no table yet. I just created this database. Now I'm gonna create a new table. Table name is first column is product ID and table name I just named this table as product info underscore tab. Okay. Yes, this table is created. Product ID is integer type. Data type is integer, and this is primary key. Product ID, item name and worker, and design. Product design is and worker 250 because the design is a bit long. Color and worker 50 means 50 character. Insert it daytime. Okay. Now save. Yes, refresh this table folder. Now right click and refresh the table folder. Yes, you can see the table is added, product info underscore tab. Okay, and I'm gonna see records. There is no records yet. Now in this programming tutorial folder I'm gonna create an Windows Form application, new project, Windows Form application. Select the location is D, programming tutorial folder. Select the programming tutorial folder, open. Okay, now name the project. I just named it as CRUD underscore in C#. Oh, hash is not allowed, so alright, sharp. Okay, our application is created. Now design this form with the label control, text box and button control with the grid view, data grid view. Change the back color of this form. Okay, now go to the toolbox and add a label control. Yes, this label control I will use as the title of this form. Okay, font size 18, font bold true, and change the text and color of this label control. Color is white and text is CRUD tutorial in C#. Okay, now go to the toolbox again and just add a label control. This label control uses product ID, color button pace and font size 10, 12. Okay, true, font bold true, and text is change the text is product ID. Okay, now add a text box control from the toolbox. Just drag the text box and drop it in the Windows Form application. Go to the property and change the font size is 10, and resize this text box. Just copy the product ID label and text box. And this text box name is text box 1, and the second one is text box 2, third one is text box 3, and second text box text box 2 for item name, third one is for design, and the combo box font size is 10, combo box for color, label item name and design. Add the label control for color. Okay, color Now add color item and combo box item. Okay, red color is red, green, blue, white and black. Just click on OK. Okay, it's added. Now add button control. This button control I will use to insert records in the SQL Server database table. So text is insert and change the font size. Font size is 10, for font bold true, for color is button page, and the back color, change the back color of this button. Yes, now it's looking nice. Go to the toolbox and add a data grid view control. Yes, this is the data grid view control I will use to load to display records from SQL Server database to data grid view. Okay. Double click to go to the click event. Yes, this is the button on click event. I mean insert click event. In this click event I will write to code to insert records. Now add connection with the connect to the SQL Server database. Server name is catalog-sbr. Windows authentication, the SQL Server authentication, username SN, password is SQL Server authentication password, and database my database name is programming tutorial DB. Click on OK. Yes, expand the database, expand the table. Yes, programming tutorial DB. You can see it's added in the Server Explorer. Now connect with the SQL Server. To connect with the SQL Server, you should use SQL connection. To use SQL connection, you must add namespace using system.data.sql client. You can write it manually, or you can just click on using system.data.sql client. Okay, it's and the namespace is added. Now right click on the database, go to the property and double click to copy, select and copy the connection string and paste in the double quotation. Okay, the connection string is added. Now it's connected to the SQL Server database. SQL command. MySQL command is to select to insert records in the SQL Server database table. So SQL command equal to new SQL command. My command is insert into product info underscore tab. This is my SQL Server database table. You can see in the left side the Server Explorer database programming tutorial DB. Okay, values are first one is for product, you can see, and the value will get from the text box 1, and this is from item name text box 2, and design text box 3, color text box combo box 1. Okay, now values text box 1 dot text product ID. This is integer type, so convert it to integer dot first text box 1 dot text comma, and just copy with the syntax and just paste. This is I have 4 column, so this is text box 1 and text box 2. For item name, this is a string, so no need to convert it to integer, and this is for text box 3 design, and finally this is not text box, this is combo box, color from combo box, so combo box 1 dot text. Okay, then insert date is get date. Okay, now initialize the connection string con. Command dot execute non-query. Execute non-query used to insert, delete or update records in the SQL Server database using C# in this form. Okay, now finally it will display the message box dot show successfully inserted. Okay, now open the connection con dot open, and finally after completing the operation just close the connection con dot close. Okay, let's debug. Product ID 101, item name computer, design full set, color black, insert Oh, login failed for user S. I have to check the connection string. Let's check the connection string. You can see user ID S, it's fine, but password is a star, so you should put your database authentication password. Okay, now debug again. Usually I keep error so that beginners can understand how to solve error and how to face error. Okay, color black, insert, yes, successfully inserted, but it's not displaying in the data grid view. To display in the data grid view, you can see the records is inserted but not displaying in the data grid view. So to display in the data grid view, I'm gonna add a method. First of all, just put the SQL connection outside of the click event, so that you can use this connection string in every click event or every method in this page. Okay, this method is bind data SQL command equal to, you can see I just put the connection string out of the event so that I can use it in the method. SQL command equal to new SQL command, select star from product info tab, con is connection string I just initialized. Then SQL data adapter as equal to new SQL data adapter command. Then data table dd equal to new data table sd dot fill dd. Okay, finally data grid view 1 dot data source equal to dd. Okay, now call the method in the button click event and from load event as well, so that you can get the result at debugging at the runtime. Okay, now you can see it's displaying the records inserted, records in the data grid view. Now I'm gonna insert one more records. Product ID 102, item name laptop, design Dell, 21 inches, and then color, this is CRUD 5, color is green, white, black, yes, black. Insert, successfully inserted, and the result also displaying the data grid view instantly. Okay, now copy this button and paste. This button I will use to update records in SQL Server using C# Farm application using connection string. Text is update event, double click to the click event. Now I'm gonna write code to update record in SQL Server database table. Con.open SQL command. Con is my SQL connection, what I put outside of the event in this page. Okay, now SQL command equal to SQL command, initialize the connection string con. In this button click event, I will update records in the SQL Server database table. So my command is update product info underscore tab. This is the table name, product info tab, set item name. Product ID is primary key, so you cannot update primary key. You can update all the records, each records based on product ID. So item name equal to text box 2.text, yes, okay, comma, and text box 3.text for design equal to text box 3.text, yes, comma, and color equal to, for the syntax, single quotation, then double quotation, then plus sign, and combo box 1.text, yes. Then right click and go to the design. Now I'm gonna add one more column for update date, adding a column for update date. Okay, update date time, save, refresh this page in the Server Explorer table. Okay, update date equal to get date. Get date means the date will get from your machine, from your PC desktop. Here product ID, all the records update based on product ID. Which product ID you will select in the text box 1.text. Okay, product ID equal to integer dot first. Product ID is integer, data of integer, so you should convert to integer dot first, text box 1.text. Finally, command dot execute non-query. After completing the operation, counter close, and it will display the message box dot show successfully updated. Okay, now debug. We should call the bind data so that you can get result instantly in the data grid view. Okay, now Dell 21 inch Core i5 102. I will update records 102 product ID, laptop Dell 21 inch to 18 inch, and color is white, black to white. Update. Oh yes, invalid column name design. This is a spelling mistake. Let's check the design. Oh sorry, HN. Okay, now debug again. The other column is okay. Now debug again. 102 item name laptop design Dell 18 inch white. Update. Oh shit, conversion failed. Convert date time from character string. Oh sorry, let's check the update date. Okay, update date, get date. Remove the single quotation used to used as treated as a string. So get date is date time. Okay, now debug again. Dell 18 inch to so that left desktop Dell 18 inch to 19 inch, and color white to black. Yes, just click on update. Successfully updated. Yes, you can see update date also added. Using datetime figure to insert update date manually. Now I am gonna add a datetime figure to insert update date manually. In that case, add a datetime figure control and a label control. The text of this label is date, and control is datetime figure. The name of the datetime figure control is datetime figure 1. You can see in the property into datetime figure 1, format short, and font size 10, font bold true. Okay, now you can put datetime figure instead of get date. Get date is current date, and datetime figure what date you will select in the datetime figure 1, it will add the update date. Datetime dot first, datetime figure 1 dot text. Okay, now debug. Yes, now this is 26th September. 102 item name desktop design, desktop CPU design Dell full set, color white, black to white, and I just put it in 24th September. Successfully updated. Let's check. Yes, 24th September is added. Okay, now copy the button control. This button control I will use to delete records from the SQL Server database based on product ID. Okay, now conduct open SQL command. This command I will use to delete records. So SQL command equal to new SQL command. My command is delete product info tab, where product ID equal to product id, yes, product id equal to text box 1. Product id is integer type, so convert it to integer dot first text box 1 dot text, yes. Now command dot execute non query, con dot close. Finally, after completing the delete operation, it will display the message dot show successfully deleted. Okay, now bind data, call the method bind data so that you can get result instantly. Put the records id 102 delete. Oh, sorry, connection has not been initialized. I have to initialize the connection string. So in the SQL command, just initialize the connection, comma and con. Okay, now debug again. Yes. Oh, the input string was not in a correct format. You should add a if condition so that you cannot get this error. So if text1.text not equal to exclamation mark equal means not equal to blank, then it will execute this operation. If the text1 is blank, then it will display a message that food product id, message box dot show food product id. Okay, and now debug again, delete. You can see food product id and displaying that. So food product id 102, then delete. First problem, invalid product id. Oh, sorry, I usually give the error so that beginners can understand how to solve this error. Okay, now everything is fine. Delete, successfully deleted. Okay, now I'm gonna insert one more records 102, name desktop, Dell 17-inch green, insert. See that column name or number supplied value does not match table definition. So my tables column, later I have added update date, but here's only insert date. So I have to add update date column and the SQL command get date, update date also initially get date, or you can keep it as null. 102 item name desktop, design full set, color black, yes. Now it's inserted successfully with insert date and update date, default update date as well. Now item name CPU green, update. You can see it's updated. Okay, delete is confidential. If you delete a record, you cannot reback this record. So add a confirm message before performing delete operation. So if message box dot show, are you sure to delete, and delete record, message box button dot yes no equal to dialog result dot yes. Okay, if dialog result dot yes, I mean if after confirm message, if you select yes, if you click yes, it will execute the operation. Like 102 delete, are you sure to delete? If you click no, it will not deleted. If you click yes, then it will be deleted. Yes, it's deleted. Okay, start position center screen so that it will display at runtime in the center of this screen. delete. Are you sure to delete? No. Okay, now it's fine. Charts based on product ID. Now I'm gonna show how to chart records based on product ID. The result will display in the data grid view with this button click event. Okay, now text is charts. Okay, double click to go to the click event. Yes, I just copy the code to reducing time. This is on the displaying records. This method I have right to load all the records in the data grid view, and this button click event I will use to load the record based on product ID, a specific product ID. Okay, just add here clause here product ID equal to integer dot first textbox 1 dot text. Okay, now everything is same, just debug. Yes, 102. I just first of all I am just inserting record. 102 monitor design Dell color black successfully inserted. 103 mouse design Dell red is successfully inserted, and the fourth record is calculator green successfully inserted. There is a 4 record. Now you can see if I charge 104 it will display 104. If I charge 102 it is displaying 102 record. 3 displaying 103. Okay, if you want to delete successfully delete, you can see 103 is not in the list and only 3 records 101, 2 and 4.